Hello guys again. Today we have this product for unboxing, viewing and testing. This is the Silvercrest egg cooker that belongs to the new line of kitchen tools with these wood effect details. We have a keep warm function, stainless steel, 400 watts, 3 years warranty from Lidl. This is the model SEKH 400A1. Very nice packet as usual. I can see the manuals. You want to read it, it's your choice. Now let's see one by one. We have the lid, the base for the eggs. You can put it here and 6 eggs inside. We have the heating surface. We have the on-off switch for boiling and maintain the heat. Base for the cable. This is the measurement container and the egg dagger. Here it is. We are going to take this measurement. The first one, it is the melted egg. You can see that. You can put the water in this position. The second one is the moderate egg, and the third one is the tight egg. I prefer the tight egg, therefore I will put the water in that position. I will throw it into the heated element here. Here it is, tight egg. Now let's take some eggs. We need the base of the eggs. I'll just push this button to the boiling. From the other side it is for maintain warm the eggs. We need them for boiling. Installing in that, and I'm just going to wait. And here it is, you can hear and the beep. That means the eggs are ready. There is no water inside anymore. You can see closer how water is gone. And now we can stop it. Now we can see the eggs are ready, everything is okay with no problem. Now if you want to maintain the eggs inside and warm up, you can do that only on a moderate eggs or on a melted eggs, not on a tight eggs that I have made these 6 eggs. So let's see how it's inside and try one of them. We have this to crack the egg. Very easy, it's going out. And voila, very beautiful egg. Thumbs up. And with a little bit of salt. We can taste it. Tastes great. Oh, you can take out that. And you can see how is the surface inside. Still hot. Well guys, I think for 13 euros this egg cooker, it's thumbs up. Why not? If you're a fan of eggs, if you don't have any problems to eat eggs, definitely buy it. 30 euros, it will do the job. It has boiled the eggs in 11 minutes, in tight eggs, in moderate and melted eggs. The time it will be less. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.